Hi guys, today we're going to be harvesting pumpkins from the field. But first I want to show you the biggest pumpkin that we grew this year. This is an Atlantic Giant pumpkin and it weighed 113 pounds. We took it to the fair. It was the smallest Atlantic Giant pumpkin at the fair. We knew that it wasn't going to be the biggest, but we're very proud of it. Next year, I think that we'll have an even bigger pumpkin because my husband talked to some guys at the fair who grow the really huge Atlantic Giant pumpkins, and they invited him to come to their meeting this spring, and they also offered to share seeds from their humongous pumpkins. There's a lot of really nice looking pumpkins up in the field right now, so let's get up there and get to picking pumpkins. We're up here in the pumpkin field and we're getting ready to harvest all of the pumpkins. There's 105 plants up here. Most of them have 2 pumpkins on them. This is our 3rd year growing Atlantic Giant pumpkins. 3 years ago, we originally bought seeds from Baker Creek, Livingston, and St. Croix growers. This year, we planted 100% of our own saved seeds using no store-bought seeds. So every year, we selected the pumpkins that had the best traits that we liked and saved seeds from those.